Alright guys, today is the day. I can't wait. This is gonna be sick. It's like 6:58 right now, so I really gotta go, but this is gonna be sick. Like, I can't wait. Like, I'm on the way there now, so I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so my dumbass forgot my camera at my shop, so I'm probably gonna have to record on my phone, which, I mean, it's okay. Like, it works. We still have something to record on. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the shop. I just can't wait for this, man. I've been waiting for this all, like, these last couple of weeks. If these come out as dope as I think they're going to, then, like, I'm gonna be so, like, happy with this setup. You know when you gotta go up and you gotta pass somebody, they just keep speeding up, like they weren't just going 50 miles an hour, and then you get up to 65 and they're like right there on your ass. Yeah, that's this person right behind me right now. Alright, so I guess we're only gonna do one for right now, just to show you guys on camera. But this is what it's looking like so far. We're getting all the holes plugged, and all the places that have threads are being plugged as well. So this is what it looks like after sandblasting, and we're gonna start the preheat. So this is what we got it looking like right now. You getting everything? So this is a ground here. So the powder coater works by shooting a positive charge, and this is grounded, so when the positive charge hits this negative, then it's negatively charged, so the powder sticks to it really well. Then when we put it in the oven, it bakes it to this, so that's what makes powder coating so so strong. The first coat we're doing is chrome. Happen is we're gonna throw the caliper inside of this oven. It's 300ZX though. Shit, twin turbo too. And it's manual. The first coat, starting to bake. See? 365. Ready. Stop painting. Alright, so this is the first coat. Now we're going to put the second coat on. And then it goes. Alright, starting to bake. Big sheets over here. All these different colors too. So anything you guys need, I'll leave the info in the description. Got a whole bunch of different colors. This isn't even it. It's got a lot more over there. And a lot more on the other side of this wall. So hit them up if you guys need anything. Alright, so this is the color they turned out like. What they look like in the sun. They look pretty sick. Alright, so I just got a whole bunch of stuff in. I'm gonna open up these boxes and see what it is. There's an AMD Ryzen processor too. Alright, so this is everything I got. These are carbon fiber eyelids. These are the Megan Racing bushings right here that are going to be going on the rear knuckles. And then I actually got real Akebono pads. So these are the front pads right here. And then these are all the rears. So I got 2 sets of the rears for one for the hydros and then one for my standard brakes. And then these are both of the hub bearings for the rear hubs. But then I've got, I'm supposed to be getting another pulley. This is for the AC compressor side, but I'm not sure. But I got 2 new pulleys, and then I got some more. I got the brake shoes for the rear. And yeah, and then I got the computer stuff over here. Alright guys, so this is the second day. I'm gonna head back over to the powder coating shop right now and see if I can pick up all of the calipers and start rebuilding them today. So yesterday I got one of them powder coated, but and it looks sick. Like if you guys have me on Instagram, you've already seen what color they are. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, I'll leave that in the description below. So yeah, so I'm gonna go try to pick up the rest of them, and hopefully I can rebuild them today and get them on my car maybe within the next few days. Alright guys, so I just got over here to this powder coating place, and hopefully I can pick up the calipers right now. I want to start this rebuild today. Alright, so this is the one I got done yesterday. I'm gonna start prepping all the other calipers myself because they're really busy right now. Alright, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna grab all of these calipers, blow them off. You know, I'm gonna put gloves on, and I'm gonna blow them off with this blower here, and I'm gonna get them all ready and hung up on this rack right here. So that way we can get them put in quick, because they're gonna be doing chrome today anyways, but they're pretty busy. So I'm gonna step in and, you know, start prepping everything. That way I can get them done today. All I'm doing is capping all the holes, getting everything filled. I have to put some more in these 2 here and these 2 here, and then I've got another one right here. That's all I'm doing, so then I can throw them in. We can get the first coat of the chrome done. Alright, so they're all plugged. They're all ready to go in. Alright, so I'm gonna run and grab lunch for everybody, and I'm gonna get some tacos, and then hopefully we can throw these calipers into the booth right after I get back from lunch. The only one really excited about all these tacos though. So this is the first coat. A couple of little bubbles right here. And then this one has a few right there. But it's okay. I can't even begin to describe to you guys like how excited I am right now. Like right after putting those into the oven and knowing like that was the last time that I'm gonna have to put those calipers, do anything with those calipers besides build them up, rebuild them, and then throw them on the car. I never thought I would like be this far like on YouTube, and I just wanted to tell you guys like, you guys are the ones that really make this channel great. You guys are the ones, the reason why I'm doing all this. Like, I mean, I would have done it, but I wouldn't have done it nearly as quickly as I'm doing it now, because I feel like I want to put more content out. And not just that, it's just like, getting the feedback that I get from you guys like is amazing. Going through all this stuff that I've been through the last like couple months, you guys have made it a lot easier. So I really want to say like I appreciate you guys, and I'm glad that you guys are sticking around with my channel and seeing it progress. I'm about ready to hit 250,000 views, like probably by the end of next month I might hit 250,000 views, maybe a little bit sooner. So like, I never thought that I would be this big on YouTube, period. So I just wanted to tell you guys like I appreciate you and thank you for sticking around. I know this last couple of uploads have been a little bit more on the depressing side, but I'm getting back to this and I'm doing a lot more now. So I just wanted to put that out there. Thank you everybody for supporting this channel. Alright, so we're doing one more coat because these ones came out a little too light. So this is how they came out. This is after the second coat. Setup is going to come out sick.
Charlie? What up? What up? Here with Charlie. Another job well done. Pretty cool.
Thank you for hooking me up with this video. Alright guys, so I'll get back to you when I get to my shop and after these cool down. Alright guys, I actually think I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I'm going to be rebuilding these calipers soon, so make sure to tune in for those videos, and hopefully I get them on the car this week. That would be pretty sick if I could get them on the car this week. I just got to make sure the wheels that I'm running right now are they're going to have enough clearance for these calipers right now. So alright guys, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, consider subscribing. I've got a lot of stuff to come, and I'll see you guys in the next one.